How to fix Facebook temporarily blocked error. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate on how to resolve a temporarily blocked Facebook account. If you have been blocked due to a community guideline violation, bullying, inappropriate comments, or post, the best course of action is to wait until the temporary block expires. However, if your account was blocked unjustly, I'll guide you on how to regain the access. To begin, open the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your specific account. Tap on the menu at the bottom and select Help and Support by simply scrolling all the way down. And then choose Report a Problem. Click on Continue, skip including it in the report, and locate the Pages section. If you have a screenshot of the issue, you can upload it, otherwise it's optional. In the report, you can use the following message or simply customize it. And after you write a report and attach the screenshot, you can send the report and Facebook's support team will address your concern within 24 to 48 hours of time. So this was all about how to fix Facebook temporarily blocked error. By following the simple steps, you can effectively address your temporarily Facebook block. So if you found this guide to be informative, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.